In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set different backgrounds for different slides in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, having varied backgrounds can enhance the visual appeal and professionalism of your slides. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you're not on the starting page, simply locate the PowerPoint program in your list of applications and double-click to launch it. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the presentation you're working on. You can do this by selecting Open from the menu and browsing to where your file is saved, or picking from the list of recent files. Once you have your presentation open, identify the slide for which you want to change the background. Position your cursor over the slide thumbnail and right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu, offering various options for customization. From the context menu, select the option labeled Format Background. A new panel will appear on the right side of your screen, filled with a variety of formatting options. Among these, you'll see an option for Fill. Within this section, click on Picture or Texture Fill. This setting allows you to add an image or a texture to your slide's background, providing a personalized touch. Next, look for a button that says Insert and click on it. This action will give you a few different ways to add an image. For today, let's use one of the built-in resources by clicking on Stock Images. PowerPoint has a rich collection of high-quality photographs and textures for various themes. Browse through this library to find a background image that fits the theme or mood of your presentation. Once you find an image you like, select it by clicking on it. You'll see a preview appear to confirm your choice. Following that, go ahead and click on the Insert button again. This will apply the chosen image as the background for that particular slide. And there you have it. You can repeat these steps for any slide in your presentation to give each one a unique background. This can be especially useful if you want to designate different topics or sections within the same presentation. Remember, a well-organized and visually appealing slide deck can make a huge difference in how your content is received. If you ever need to reset the background or switch it up, you can always return to the Format Background panel and try out different options. Experimentation is a great way to discover what works best for your specific needs and style. With these steps, you're on your way to creating a dynamic and engaging PowerPoint presentation.